Hello everyone, thank you for watching Carlos TV Official. You guys are amazing. I don't know what to say. For the past couple of days, I've seen growth in the number of views on several videos that I have already uploaded on YouTube. And if you are that person who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click the subscribe button below and let's have fun. I wanted to also mention a couple of people who have made a tremendous impression on my YouTube channel. So they are Malu Morales and MC123. You guys are amazing. You've left wonderful comments on my blog. Thank you. So I wanted to quickly do a reaction video on one of Morissette Amon's live performance on Wish 107.5. So let's check this out.
Carlos TV.
Hey Wishers, this is Morissette. Don't miss
Hello,
any
Morissette.
Wish exclusive videos. Click here to subscribe.
Okay, I did.
When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor, I wish that we could be like that, but can we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
The falsetto.
Wish 107.5.
We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I tired some more. Stolen moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough.
It'll never be enough.
It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfect.
Ako lang ba yung nagagandahan sa kanya? Sobrang ganda niya sa paningin ko, ha? Hindi ako nagsasawa sa mukha niya. She's smiling. Taas ng kantang to. May mga singer kasi na kapag kumakanta ng mataas, alam mo yung ang daming mga kumukulot dito. Pero this girl, parang wala ako masyadong nakikita yung kulot dito pag kumakanta siya ng mataas na note. Galing kumontrol ni Morissette. Nakaupo pa yan, ha, pero kung bumirit, sobra. Guys, if you wanted me to react on a certain video, you can make a suggestion. Just leave a comment in the comment field below. Woo! Ang sarap niyang panoorin sa TV kapag kumakanta, sa totoo lang. Oh, shit, ganda nun. Hindi ko narinig ngayon yung yung parang nag-squeak siya. Pag kumakanta siya, yung inaabangan ko palagi. Oh, shit! Oh my... Oh, ayun! Yung parang nag-squeak siya habang kinakanta yung high note. Ang galing-galing niya. Grabe, taas! Oh, ayan yung mga squeaking niya. So pag hindi ko alam na si Morissette yung kumakanta, malalaman ko siya rin because of that unique sound. Galing! Sobrang taas.
Why can't we be like that? Wish we could be like that.
So guys, anong masasabi nyo? Just leave a comment below. Ako, I personally like this girl. I think na mas magiging matagal siya sa industriya ng musika ng Pilipinas, provided na hindi magbabago yung quality ng boses niya. Kasi may mga singers na nasisira yung voice just because it's being abused. So, I wish her the best. I hope na maging successful palalo siya sa kung anumang, career ang tinatakbo niya ngayon. I wanted to also encourage you to support Morissette. If you really like her, keep supporting her, keep following her on any social media she is on, buy her CDs, buy whatever song she has for you. It's absolutely worth every penny, kumbaga. If you wanted me to react on any particular video or a singer, just feel free to leave the links in the comment below. Thank you for watching Carlos TV Official. Again, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Carlos TV Official. I also have a Facebook account. It's called Carlos TV. My Twitter is CarlosSolrak84. My Instagram account is Karamon_Kamsur. Please connect with me on these social media platforms now. Thank you.